All right, we're back with some brand new Odysseys here, and there is a
To operate, there's
operate the side door. He's going to push that button there, and then this side door opens automatically, which is amazing. And you can either close it from the driver's seat,
or by the door,
or by the door jamb. There is a button for a passenger to use.
I'll demonstrate on this side.
Okay, and we'll go around to the other side. A lot more room over here. Oh, it's already open. Wow. Okay, so now he's got the other side open, and then now here's the passenger button that closes the door.
And then the lift, and then there's also
It's nice how well they close. So also on the front dash, there is a button there, up there for the liftgate. Oh. Yep, it beeps and up it goes. I like the Hondas, they have a nice beep to warn you that you're doing it. And then where is it? Right there, Alex?
Yeah.
And then there's a button to push on the back to close the liftgate.
Did you get it all?
I did. That's amazing. So that's two sliding doors with two different options of how to open and close them, and then the rear liftgate. Can you close the liftgate from the driver's? Okay, so there's control from the driver. Now, can you close it? Unbelievable. Brand new Odyssey. What a cool van.